Alright, the question is what the best code editor is, but it depends what you prefer. It can be themes, speed, or more complex stuff. But before we start talking about the different types of them, we need to know what a code editor is. So, a code editor is software that allows a programmer to create and edit files that includes code. They can help the programmer with tools like IntelliSense, snippets, and syntax highlighting. There is also something called IDEs. IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, are more complex and has a compiler and a debugger. In this video I am not going to look into them too deep though. The first one we're going to talk about is Vim. Vim is a text editor, but many people use it to write code. It is popular because it's fast and free. I would recommend Vim if you're just going to do some quick change in a file, but for a larger project I would recommend you to use a more complex and rich editor. Next up is Notepad Plus. People use it because it supports over 50 programming languages and it is a really fast source code editor. I primarily use it more as a text editor or when I'm in a config file that doesn't need to have highlighting or any other complex tools. But I also need to say Notepad Plus is really beginner friendly. To be fair, I haven't used Atom too much, but from what I have read, it has great extensions and is really beginner friendly. But what I really need to say, Atom has the best code editor theme of them all. VS Code or Visual Studio Code is my favorite code editor of them all. It is a little bit slower than the other ones, but it has great extensions and is very customizable. It is a little bit more complex than the other ones, but when you learn it, you can be really powerful. What is your favorite code editor and why? Please leave a comment in the comment section.